And then...
Oh, he was just cooling down. It's a hot day. The direwolves get cold. You know, they overheat. It's a baby direwolf.
Direwolf in my refrigerator.
Do you miss Winterfell? Did the young Greyjoy fuck up your house?
Oh, he's a gray direwolf with gray eyes.
He's a Stark.
Does that mean they're gonna cut off my head and sew his on in his place? Never mind.
Spoilers! They don't ever do that.
I don't care. Anything.
That was just a rumor.
It's a body.
That's what they threatened to do to him.
Yeah. Welcome to my world.
I meant to show you Ben.